Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can mute conversations and chats with your contacts and connections in a LinkedIn mobile application, for example on your Android. So let us guide you through this. So what you want to do is launch the LinkedIn app, log into your account, and here in the top right corner of your home screen you will see that speech bubble. Tap into it to access your list of conversations and chats with your contacts. Next, tap into the chat or conversation you'd like to mute, like this one here for example. And next guys, here in the given chat history, tap into these three dots in the top right corner and select mute here next to that bell icon. However guys, remember that muting the conversation will not block the user, so the user will still have the opportunity to send you messages. The difference here is though that you won't receive any notifications from that chat anymore. And that's basically it. If you'd like to unmute the chat, tap into these three dots again and select unmute. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.